Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about do-while statement in JavaScript, part of Web Technologies course. The do-while statement is a control flow statement in JavaScript that is similar to while statement but with a slight difference. The basic syntax of the do-while statement is as follows. The code block following the do keyword is executed first, and then the condition following the while keyword is evaluated. If the condition is true, the code block is executed again. If the condition is false, the execution of the code block stops and the program continues with the next statements following the do-while loop. For example, the condition is count less than 5, which means the code block following the do keyword will be executed at least once. Then it will check the condition, and if it's true, the code block will be executed again. The variable count is incremented by 1 at the end of each iteration. So it will increment from 0 to 4 and the loop will stop. The do-while loop is useful for situations where you want the code to execute at least once, regardless of the condition. It is also useful when the loop must continue until a specific condition is met. It is also important to keep in mind that, like the while loop, if the condition is never met and the loop will never stop, it will create an infinite loop and cause the program to crash. It is important to use the do-while loop only when it is necessary and to include the proper conditions and logic to control the flow of the loop and prevent infinite loops. In general, the do-while loop is less commonly used than the while loop because it is less flexible, and in most cases the condition can be checked before the loop. And if you need the code to execute at least once, you can use a simple if statement before the loop. It is important to understand the different control flow statements and loops that JavaScript provides and to use the right one for the task at hand. It is also important to use them in a structured and readable way to make your code easy to understand and maintain. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.